Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Mumbai the Primary School, Standard 3rd, Subject English. Today we will learn fun time, playtime, fun time, playtime. Now we run and now we climb up the ladder and down the slide. Up the ladder and down the slide. A merry-go-round, let's take a ride. Here's a swing, go to and fro. Here's a swing, go to and fro. Bounce the seesaw high and low. Next poem, Solomon Grundy. Solomon Grundy, born on Monday, Christian on Tuesday, married on Wednesday, to kill on Thursday, words on Friday, died on Saturday, buried on Sunday. That was the end of Solomon Grundy. Poem is Can You? Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you jump like a frog? Can you fly like a bird? Can you run like a dog? Can you walk like a duck? Can you swim like a fish? And he is still like a good child, as still as this. Next poem is Plant Magic. A little seed for me to sow, a little earth to make it grow, a little hole, a little pot, a little wish, and what is that? And that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little while, and then a flower. Next poem is Alphabet Song. An alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come on, Sonu, read with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Count the books we have done. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. I am reading, so are you. V, N, W, X, Y, Z. Give me the books you have read. Next poem is Three Little Kittens. Three little kittens lost their mittens and they began to cry. Kitten, oh mother dear, we very much fear. We have lost our mittens. Oh, the cat, you naughty kittens, lost your mittens, then you shall have no pie. Kittens, meow, meow, meow. The cat, no, you shall have no pie. Kittens, meow, meow, meow. The three little kittens found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here. We have found our mittens. Oh my. Put your mittens, you silly kittens, and you may have some pie. Purr, purr, purr. Now you may taste the pie. Purr, purr, purr. Next poem is Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day. That was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The little children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know? The teacher did reply. Next poem is map reading. This is the map of tiny town. Tiny roads go up and down. Some go right and some go left. The arrows point to east and west. Building, bridges, a market and a mill. Garden, fields, a school and a hill. Where would you start and how will you go? If you choose the place, the map will show. Next poem is Spelling Fun. B-A-B, B-E-B, B-I, Bicky by, B-O-Bo. B-A-B, B-E-B, B-I, Bicky by, B-O-Bo. Baby Bible be you boo. Baby Bible boo. Thank you. The next poem is In the World of Letters. At an apple be bounced a ball. At an apple be bounced a ball. C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. E eats eggs and F falls flat. G grows grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on an island, J jump and jogs. K keeps kitten and L lifts log. M makes mistakes and needs a nurse. O obey orders and P patch a purse. Q queued up quickly, R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touched his toes. U use umbrellas, V has a violet van. W washes window whenever he can. X hides in boxes, say. Y says yummy and U. Z says zigzag zoom. Hooray, we are through. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.